Hello there and welcome back to my videos. In this video it's time for you to create your very first interface by using TypeScript. And the first you want to do is creating the app.js file, and then you're ready. So let's begin. Type interface and we call it the fuel. From the previous video we speak about cars, so let's keep it in this way. I think that's probably easier. When you have creating the fuel interface, we need three variables inside. The first one is a type, it should be a string, and then we need the leader, and should be number, and and then we need the kilometers per hour, what the fuel cost to run on. And then we need an interface. The type of the fuel could be a benzene and a diesel. And for this, you probably could type this down. But I think it'd be nice to create an interface for that. So let's enum upside here and say fuel type, and this should be benzene. And diesel, and of course you can make L, like if you have an L car Tesla and something like that, but I will not do this in this video. That's fine, because it's just a demonstration how you work with the interface in TypeScript. And then we can go to the type here and say the fuel type, and then we know the type here should be a fuel type, so it should be a benzene or diesel. This will not be allowed. And to work with this interface, we could create a new one and extend from the previous one. It could be interface for benzene, and we want to extend the fuel because that's how we're doing. And inside the benzene, we could have access to everything for the fuel here, and that's what I want to demonstrate for you now. To demonstrate how you can do this, it's creating a benzene fuel a fuel variable down here, and the type should be benzene. Benzene is interface from here, and what we want to work with here, you can see the type, because we need a lot of stuff inside here. We can say the type of this one should be fuel. You can see benzene or diesel, and then we need a liter. And how many liters did we have now? We have 100 liters, that's fine. And then we need the kilometers, and that's meaning 100 multiplied by 20, like the previous video. And then we need to close it down. And if you put this out now and say console log, we can say this, and that's it. We have directly access for everything inside here. You can see the liter, kilometer, and type, and then we can response it out. So that's it. That's how you can work with the interface very quickly, and how you can extend them and use enum. Enum is it's pretty nice to use. Just be careful, sometimes you can go in the mess, but it's replace benzene to 0 and diesel to 1. So if you have a big code, don't change in your enum. Be sure you have everything you need before, else you can go in very interesting bugs, but that's another topic. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoy. I really hope you get the understanding on how the interface working in the TypeScript. And if you have any questions, please make them in the comments fields below, and remember to subscribe my channel. You can do it in the right corner below and pressing the thing. And of course my code here will be on the GitHub. The links will be in the description, and you can follow me on GitHub. You can follow me here on YouTube by subscription, and I hope you want to like this video and put it to your playlist, and of course share with your friends. Thank you so much for subscribing, and see you next time.